In this video, I'll show you how to set up a form that prints instead of sending the information to your email. So let's start by inserting a new form, or you can modify an existing form with the following techniques. I'll just pick a random one, feedback. Delete the HTML action because we won't need one. So highlight the form container, make sure there's no action, then double click on the custom script, and this is the form validator script that we saw in the previous video. We'll actually need to delete the contents in between the double quotes, and then we'll type in window.print and then open and closing parentheses. Then click OK. I know it's kind of hard to see the writing. Let's change the background really quick. Change it to white. Okay. So at this point, the form is set up so the user can type in their information and then click send details, but we don't want it to say send details anymore because it's not sending anything, it's just going to print. So we'll click on that button, go to the file inspector under value. You can change this to whatever you want, but for now, just type in print form. There we go. Then we'll go to preview. So now someone can just type in whatever information, click print form, and then it'll pop up their print options. Then they would just click print and it would print the form all filled out, and that's pretty much it.